Hi there, I'm Jayden. Today is a special day because it's the last day of school. Yeah! My friends Laila, Ella, and I are celebrating together. We have balloons, games, cake, and ice cream. We're all having a good time and can't wait for summer break to start. I started thinking, just because it's the last day of school doesn't mean we can't still learn. Have you ever wondered how our school decides what to spend money on? Let's find out from Miss Peggy about our school budget.
A budget is a plan for how to use money. The school's budget can include enough money for goods and services that students and teachers need and want. Goods can be books, computers, or school supplies. Services could be breakfast and lunch, field trips, visiting artists, and events like today's celebration. The budget can also pay for new materials your teachers need or want to help you learn. Money is needed to keep the school building safe and clean too. There are many others who work at the school, like janitors, resource officers, and school bus drivers.
Wow! Creating a budget is all about planning and making sure you spend money wisely on goods and services. Parents, teachers, students, the whole community can chip in to help. Have you ever joined a bake sale or a car wash to raise money for your school? Watch more videos at knowitall.org/KidsECON.